Hey you guys, welcome back. So today's tutorial is going to be a tutorial on this bareMinerals Fresh Face Foundation. Just bear in mind that I do like light to medium coverage foundations. If you guys are into full coverage foundation, then this may not be the foundation for you and you may not care for this video. But you can build it up if you want to. But I'm just saying it's a light to medium coverage foundation. As you can see, you can still see my spots, but I don't mind that. I'm okay with that. It's my skin and it's what I'm going through right now, so I do prefer light to medium foundations. I'm gonna leave my links down below just so you can follow me on my other social medias. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel if you haven't already. I mean, that's if you want to, share my channel, share my videos and all that good stuff. But to continue on with the bareMinerals Fresh Face Foundation, the foundation is $49 if you want to buy it. You have to go through the app. Their app is the Made2Fit by bareMinerals. So bareMinerals Made2Fit app. Let me go right into it. It's loading. So that's what it looks like. And on the app, you have to scan your face. You have to scan a few parts of, your wrist and your face, and then it gives you the tone that they're gonna send you. So this is what my tone was, and this is what they sent me. I'm a neutral skin tone. I'm sorry, I have a neutral undertone. So I have pink and I have yellow. So it's super hard for me to find a foundation, whether I look for it myself or the app. I think the app did pretty good, with the exception that maybe I can wear this more when I'm completely tan, which you'll see through the video because I'm gonna show you the difference. Like right now it looks really good because I brought it down a little bit towards my neck and I bronzed and everything. So it looks good. I do like the way the foundation looks. It doesn't look bad. I did, they had me do the inside of my wrist, which is always lighter than the back of it, so I don't know. So I'm gonna read a few things from my phone to talk about the foundation, so give me a few. These are the benefits and the why you love this foundation. It's custom blended foundation that delivers natural looking coverage for lightweight all day wear. Yes, I agree with that. I love it and I can wear it for hours and it's nice and light, and like I said, I don't feel oily, I don't greasy, dry. It just feels like my skin. I just feel like I'm moisturized, like very moisturized. All right, so the next bullet point is it's a makeup that's made to match your unique skin tone. Your name is printed on the bottle. It's 100% shade match guaranteed, which that one for me didn't really work out. It has white lily extract, which helps to provide skin nourishing benefits for a more revitalized, healthy looking appearance. It has green tea extract, which provides antioxidant benefits to the skin. Next bullet point is peptides known to provide skin brightening benefits and promote younger looking skin. It has ceramides to attract and retain moisture in the skin. It has white mulberry extract, even skin tone for a brighter appearance, and the minerals zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, iron oxides, mineral based pigments to match your unique skin tone. All right, you guys, so I am not trying to sell you this foundation, by no means. I'm just reading what the bareMinerals site says about the foundation. I personally like it. I don't like the price tag that comes with this foundation. It is $49, which I think it's a little steep, but the price tag, I think you're paying for the app that you're using, since it's a custom blend foundation just for you. You're paying to have your name on the bottle. The freaking bottle is beautiful. All right, I'm so excited. Like, let's get to this, you guys. So I'm just gonna pump out a tiny little bit to begin with, and I'm going to swipe it on my cheeks just so you guys see the shade that I ended up with compared to my skin tone. All right, can you see the shade compared to the rest of me? I don't hate it. It is a little darker than I am. I don't hate it because once I apply the concealer, which, you know, I do the lightening here around the nose area and sometimes on the forehead, that kind of works everything out. And I feel like I don't need a lot of bronzer because this is a little darker than I am. And I do bring it down a little bit on the neck just so everything looks nice. So I'm gonna do a full pump on the back of my hand, and that much comes out. And now I'm going to start applying this on my face. And you guys, I can blend this with my fingers and I'm good to go. But, you know, I'm a little extra, so I'm going to use the Beauty Blender. But if I didn't, the foundation would still look really good. So yeah, you guys, this foundation feels so good on my skin and I can go on for hours and it doesn't look horrible on me. It doesn't break out, it doesn't make me oily, which is a huge plus for me. It doesn't dry me up. It just feels so great. I don't even feel like I'm wearing foundation. It's so light. It's like I'm applying a moisturizer. It's so freaking good. So now I'm gonna be using the Beauty Blender just to blend it out a little bit more, because as you can clearly see, it is not my shade at the moment. Maybe when I'm tanned, it'll work better for me, but right now, it just, for whatever reason, did not give me the shade that I am right now. Alright, so for my concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. This one is in the shade medium. This is the shade I use to conceal my dark circles. I'm going to place that right on my dark circle areas. I'm also going to place this around my nose because I do get a little red around here. And a little bit on the chin, because I do want to, like I said, lighten these areas up. And I'm not going super crazy with how I'm lightening these areas. This is just like a shade lighter, which is probably the shade that I should have received in the foundation, or maybe 2 shades a little bit lighter, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just keeping it pretty close to the rest of my face. It's not gonna be like poof, super white in the center. To set my concealers, I'm gonna use another one of my favorite bareMinerals products, which is the Invisible Light Translucent Powder. And I'm using an e.l.f. blush brush for this, and I'm just gonna be setting the areas where I applied the concealer. I'm not going to be setting the rest of my face with this because I'm gonna be using other powders like the bronzer and the blush, highlight, and stuff like that. So the rest of my face will get set with those powders. Okay, so to continue setting my face, I'm gonna be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one is in light bronzer. And I'm going to set my forehead, the upper portion, because remember I already set the center of my forehead. So around the temples, my cheekbone area, since I've already set this whole section right here, I'm going to set around the ears and jawline area. And I will be bringing down the bronzer down my neck because I want to make sure everything matches. For my highlight, I'm going to be using this Luxie 512 Small Contouring Brush. And I'm going to be using the Smashbox Pearl Spotlight Palette. And I'm going to use the shade Crank It Up, which is the one in the center. This is the highlight I'm using today. I normally use all 3 of them, but for today, I don't know. I just want to use this one. And I'm going to just buff that right onto my cheekbones. Ooh, wow, that's super pretty. Like, I always combine all of them. I've never really used just them individually, and I am loving this one. For my blush, I'm using this City Color Be Matte Blush in Guava. And pick up just a little bit because it can be very pigmented. I'm gonna bring it all the way up to my temples. And whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to put a little bit here, a little bit on my nose. Just bring it everywhere. For my lips, I'm using this Intense Butter Gloss by NYX in Tres Leches. And here you have it, my friends. The foundation feels amazing. Like I've said already, I love the way it feels on my skin. It feels like moisturizer. I don't feel that I'm wearing foundation at all. I can go on for the rest of the day and my foundation still looks exactly like it does now. Maybe I'll do like a whole day wearing the foundation for you guys so you guys can see that. But I've already done it. You know, I didn't do a video on it, but I've already worn the foundation for hours and it's just, I love it. It looks really, really good. But if you guys want to see me wear the foundation throughout the day and, you know, do check-ins, let me know and I will show you how the foundation wears on my skin. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like these kinds of tutorials. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, follow my other social medias, watch my previous videos, share my channel, share my videos, and all that. Until next time, my loves, mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.